In today's training, I will be walking you through how to input a brand new entity via a NAF in Atlas. Anytime you have a brand new profile to create within the system, you start that process on the homepage. This is the homepage of Atlas. You see this whenever you log in. If you need to get to the homepage, you can simply click the house icon. To create the profile, you want to go to Create New Client Record. Once you are there, you're going to see the first question of Select Account Type. Since we have our EIP over here on the right for Johnny Doe's Irrevocable Trust, I want to select Entity and then press Next. Now I'm going to get some information to fill out. For my advisor, yours should automatically populate, but if not, you can search for it just like I did. For the account type, it's going to ask what type of trust, or more like what kind of entity this is. So I want to choose trust, and I want to go ahead and type in that trust's name. I want to go ahead and input that address as well. And we do have a PO box, so we want to go ahead and make sure to account for that since the mailing address is not the same. The last couple items is inputting that tax ID. For social security numbers and tax IDs, you do not have to do any punctuation. Atlas will do that for you automatically. And I want to input the email. I'm going to go ahead and use the email provided by the signer at the bottom. And then, of course, inputting the phone that is listed on the CIP. Similarly, do not put any punctuation. Atlas will do that automatically. Once all the information is inputted and looks correct, we can press Next. Now I have to input the financial data. Nicely, this follows the same order as it does on the CIP. So we're going to go ahead and just go down the line with what we have here. For our annual opt-out notices, we have this box right here. If this box is checked, we want to go ahead and make sure that is checked as well. And for the email authorizations, if any email is provided in either of these below slots, due to this new authorization we have, if an email is provided, this box is checked. So we do have an email for Johnny, so we want to make sure that is accounted for on the NAF. So now that we go ahead and make sure that all of our financials are accurate, we can press Next. And the last step is to upload the actual EIP. You can either drag it directly from your desktop, or you can go into your computer and you can find the document just like I will. Once you have found the document and you click on it, you're going to see the progress bar show up, and it's going to fill out and complete with a check mark. Once you see that check mark and press Done, you can press Next, and it's going to give you the name of the image you just uploaded. This is Atlas's way of showing you that the image made it successfully into the system. Once we press Next, we're going to see that we have gone ahead and created our entity. So if I wanted to search for it after we've gone and done that, I can find that profile in that top search bar. This is how you are able to create a brand new profile for an entity. If you have any questions on this process, please email atlas@harborinv.com.